Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Roblox error code 292 or the low memory warning error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to restart your iPhone or iPad or whatever device that you are using. So restarting your iOS device is a simple but effective way to reclaim your lost memory and give Roblox a fresh slate. So here are the steps. So the first thing that you need to do is to press and hold the volume up button, which is this button right here, and the side button. So this is known as the sleep or wake button. So just press this button simultaneously, and after that just release both buttons when the slide to power off slider appears. So just drag the slider to the right to turn off the iPhone. And after the device powers down completely, just press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. So restarting will clear out the memory clog and resolve many instances of error 292. And then that's it for the first solution. And the second solution that you can do is to force quit and relaunch Roblox app. So force quitting the Roblox app frees up all the memory it was using so that it is available when you relaunch it. So to force quit it, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then just pause slightly in the middle to open the multitasking view. And then after that, just swipe up to open the Roblox app preview to force close it. Just like this as shown in the photo. So after that, just open the Roblox again to see if the issue is resolved. So this process will effectively force the app to close and then allow you to open it again from the home screen. So keep in mind that force quitting an app should be used when it is not responding or behaving abnormally. And the next solution, what you can do is to update to the latest Roblox version. So here comes another simple solution to resolve the Roblox low memory warning issue. So an outdated Roblox app can be prone to performance issues and memory leaks. Updating the Roblox or the latest Roblox iOS app version can deliver critical bug fixes. And to do this, just go to the App Store on your device and tap your profile icon at the top right and scroll down to see pending Roblox updates and simply install them. So just relaunch Roblox to enjoy the optimized performance. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can possibly fix the Roblox error code 292. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.